Hi everyone, welcome back. Leetcode problem of the day. Today is longest subarray with maximum bitwise and so we are given an integer array nums of size n. We have to consider a non-empty subarray from nums that has the maximum possible bitwise and. In other words, let k be the maximum value of the bitwise and of any subarray of nums. Then only subarrays with a bitwise and equal to k should be considered. We have to return the length of the longest such subarray. The bitwise end of an array is the bitwise end of all the numbers in it. Subarray is a contiguous sequence of elements within an array. So what we have to do is first we have to find the maximum bitwise end possible in the subarrays, and then we have to find the length of longest such subarray that gives the maximum possible bitwise end. Now how to do this? The trick in this question and the main thing to note is that whenever we do a bitwise AND operation between two numbers, either we shall get the number itself or a number less than itself. It shall never be more. This is one thing to note. Means bitwise of any two numbers can never be more than that. So we have to find the maximum possible bitwise AND. So that shall be equal to the maximum number in the array. That will be the maximum bitwise AND, right? So one thing is clear that the maximum possible bitwise AND is equal to the maximum number. Now we just have to find the subarray where the bitwise AND is equal to max. So and the greatest possible length of that. That shall be equal to the number of consecutive times maximum number is appearing in the array. The maximum times the consecutively maximum number is appearing, that shall be the maximum subarray. Like in this. We know the maximum element is 3, so the maximum possible bitwise AND is 3. Now what shall be the maximum length? A subarray where only 3's are there. So what is the length of that subarray? 2. So our answer is 2. Similarly in this the maximum element is 4 and the subarray where only 4 is appearing is this length is 1. So only this we have to do. We have to find the maximum element and then we have to find the maximum number of times maximum element is coming consecutively in the subarray in the array. So moving to the solution, first we have to find the max. So we have taken initially max is equal to 0 for our numbers in nums. We have calculated the max. Max is equal to math.max max comma I. This shall give us the maximum element of the array. Now we have to count consecutively how many times max is coming. So we have taken consecutive is equal to 0. And then another thing we need is maximum length of such a subarray. So maximum length is 0. Now again we shall take nums I from nums. Now if num I is equal to max means it is the maximum element, so we shall increase the count of consecutive. Also we will calculate the maximum length is equal to math.max maximum length comma consecutive means we are checking what is maximum. Consecutive is maximum, max.length is maximum. I'm storing it in max length. Otherwise the number is not equal to max, so we have to decrease consecutive to 0. We are again changing it back to 0 because we want consecutively maximum element should appear. After this loop we will be having the maximum length. We have to just return that is our answer, the maximum length of such a subarray. We have returned that. So this was the simple solution for this question. I hope you guys would have got the approach. Thanks for watching the video. Have fun. Bye.